So ladies and gentlemen, we are here. This is a Grainstorm application on Android. Anyways, this is a granular synthesizer or something like this. You actually put a sound here, or even the whole song, or you record something. And basically what you do is just mess around with these knobs here. You have a ton of options here actually. And this is a free version. You can probably go and if you want you can afford the pro version, but I don't know if that's worth it. I mean, there's probably like something like recording. Oh, there's even a queue on the pro version. Yeah, there's importing stuff and saving. Yeah, anyways, this is interesting stuff actually. I don't know what they do, most of these functions, but this is, I think, the most beautiful part of this, that you can go and experiment with this and create some interesting sounds. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start from importing a song, because we are supposed to make pads here. So I'm gonna import a song. So this is called, the song is called Immerse Yourself. You can check it out. So we're gonna make a pad of this. So basically, if you wanna know what granular synthesizers does, just Google it. I know that this is possible to make really great pads on this and really great sounds. And to be honest, I think the quality of it is pretty good. Okay, so I hope that works. I decided to record this, actually like connect the speakers to my phone and record the speakers with my microphone. I don't know, we're gonna try how it sounds like. I think it should be better, there should be more bass done from the phone, and it should like increase the overall quality. Let's check it out. We're gonna click this button. Yeah, and we hear something like this. So we have to go to the second page on the left and reduce the grain size, also with this random Riot or something. So let's make pads of this.